This is Toyota Aqua AC Compressor. Recondition parts, import from Japan. The AC compressor is a part of the air conditioning system that compresses the refrigerant and circulates it through the evaporator and condenser. The AC compressor is driven by a belt that is connected to the engine crankshaft. Some of the descriptions about the Toyota Aqua AC compressor are: the AC compressor for the Toyota Aqua may malfunction due to various reasons, such as low refrigerant level, electrical issues, clutch failure, or leakage. One of the common symptoms of a faulty AC compressor is that the air conditioning does not cool properly. The AC compressor for the Toyota Aqua can be replaced by a professional mechanic or a skilled DIR. The replacement process involves disconnecting the battery, removing the front bumper, draining the refrigerant, disconnecting the electrical connectors and hoses, removing the bolts and brackets, and installing the new AC compressor.
Dhamkith Enterprises. We will supply spare parts for long drives.